everyone, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to create this look using all Huda Beauty products. Huda Beauty is one of the most innovative brand in the makeup industry. I admire this brand a lot. I admire Huda and her family doing business. They like supporting each other and just expanding their business within the family. I also like Kaya Lee, the perfume that they created. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Alright, so let's start. Alright, first off, I don't have her primer. I don't really use primer that much. I'm just gonna go straight to the foundation. I have two colors of her foundation. One is Toffee, which is tan, golden tan, and another one is Dulce de Leche. This one is for medium golden skin tone. Alright, so what I do is I mix both colors. I get one pump of Toffee and then one pump for Dulce de Leche. This is actually a cream foundation, it's not a liquid foundation. For cream foundation, you want a dense brush to apply on your face. You don't want a fluffy brush or a sponge. You just want a very nice dense brush. So what I'm gonna do is distribute this foundation and then blend it. My brush is from It Cosmetics. This is a very full coverage foundation, easy to blend. I concentrate on the parts that I don't put concealer. This foundation is so easy to blend and apply on my face that when I'm in a hurry, this is my go-to foundation. Alright, easy application. Next is a concealer. I have three colors of her concealer. This is the Overachiever concealer. I have Coconut Flakes for highlighting, Toasted Almond, which is the darkest that I have. This is just to spot conceal. Granola is the one that I use for my concealer under eye. It's really nice application here that is very cooling under eyes when you apply it. For this concealer, I use a sponge. This is a beauty blender. You guys have to be careful with this concealer because a little goes a long way. Alright, so I'm gonna do this spot concealing. I'm gonna use Toasted Almond, which is 20G. Alright, then I'm gonna use the lightest color, which is Coconut Flakes, to highlight. Like so. Next I'm gonna use the Easy Bake Powder from Huda Beauty. This one is the loose baking setting powder. I have Banana Bread and I also have Blondie. The lighter shade, which is Banana Bread, I use it under my eyes, and Blondie is a darker shade which I use all over my face. Because I powdered everything, but I haven't put the contour yet. This is a cream contour which has to go underneath all these powder that I put on already. So I'm still gonna try, and again, for a cream product, use a very dense brush to easily blend it on your face. So this is still working. Next, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I have three of them: the pink sands, the gold sands, and the bronze sands. Today I'm gonna use the bronze sands to bronze my skin. I'm gonna use Aruba right here, just a little bit. I'm also gonna use Maldives right here. Bora Bora on the top of my cheeks. This is the pink sand. I'm gonna use Ibiza on my cheeks. And I'm gonna also gonna put that right here on my forehead, tip of my nose. Huda Beauty doesn't have brow products yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this Huda Beauty Obsessions. This one is Smokey Obsessions, and she has a very nice deep dark cool brown right here, which I can use for my brows. So I'm just gonna use this brow brush from Morphe. I'm just gonna fill in my brows, and that's it. This is the brow. It's actually pretty good. Okay, I'm done with my brows. Next, my eyes. Okay, I don't have Huda Beauty primer, so I'm just gonna use a concealer. So I'm gonna use this Coconut Flakes concealer. This is the lighter shade. This is a concealer brush. So what's the benefit of putting a primer or concealer under your eyeshadow is it's an adhesive. So your eyeshadow is gonna stick on your eyelids longer. It's gonna be more vibrant as well. Sometimes some people have veins on lids. That will cancel out with a concealer or a primer. I can't say anything bad about it. This nude palettes right here, I also have this medium one, so I think I'm gonna use the medium one since I am a medium skin tone. This one is the medium, this one is the light dark shade here, and they all work well with my skin tone. The light shade right here, these purples and pinks, the shimmer ones, they have special glitter effect. I love how this medium with the bronzy shades. Dark one, this special gold right here has nice glitters as well. The pinkish champagne rosy gold, it has a very nice blue purple shimmer. So nice. Huda Beauty is really good at that, putting a metallic foil shadow with a nice gorgeous glitters, and it just works for them. Like I said, I'm gonna use the medium palette. Okay, first I'm going to use this one right here. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill 32, and I'm gonna use this all over my lid. I'm gonna use it as my transition color. Notice where you put your finger. If you put it right here up front, you're gonna have a lot of pigment on your lid, and when you put your finger at the other end, it's gonna be more forgiving. When I hold my brush up here, I build the shadows. Use it right here, I'm packing shadows. In between is just in between. If you're blending, it's nicer to hold it here, the butt of the brush. I'm gonna change brushes, and then next I'm going to get this number 3 right here. It's a dark peach. This one is Morphe E17. So as I get close to my eyeballs, I change brushes from smaller brushes. It's just good for detail work. Put that inner and outer corner of my eyes, and then I'm just gonna leave the center just with the transition shade. The shadows are blending really nice and easy. And then I'm gonna go back to my first brush and then blend the edges. Alright, so I'm gonna use a pencil brush for my under eye. Ooh, this is hard. I'm just gonna use the lighter shade right here and then put that under my eye. Very pinkish nude, very warm nude. Then I'm gonna use the first brush just to diffuse the shadow under my eye. I'm gonna get a flat brush right here. I don't know which one to choose. I'm gonna go with the lightest shimmer right here. This one right here in the number 2 shade. Okay, I'm gonna put the darker first. And then put that right in the middle. I'm gonna pick that up with my ColourPop E3. And then I'm gonna grab the light color with my finger and then just put it in the middle. Like that. Ooh. I don't have the Huda Beauty spray. I'm just gonna use the Morphe one. You don't like mommy's pen? No? Okay, next, Huda Beauty has a really nice eyeliner. I always use this. I love this eyeliner. It's a dual-ended eyeliner. One is liquid and one is a creamy matte black eyeliner. I'm gonna do the creamy one first. And then I am going to put this on a waterline. I'm gonna do the lash line too. The other side is a liquid eyeliner. So easy to use too. Alright, Alright, so I lined both of my eyes. This is what I want to show you guys. This is the new Huda Beauty mascara. They call it Legit Lashes, and it has dual end as well, just like their eyeliner. One end is volume and the other end is curl and length. This is like a big version of their eyeliner. This is the eyeliner. It's diamond as well. The mascara is the big version. Huda Beauty sent me this. Thank you so much, Huda and the team. New Legit Lashes. It has dual ends, 2 brushes, 2 formulas, 1 legit mascara. That's their tagline. It's retail for $27, and the features are volume and definition, curl and length, and very black formula. Formula for the darkest lashes, Vanta Black. They call it Vanta Black. If you want to combine them together, use volume first and then curl and length. I actually want to use volume here and then length here, the curl and length the other side, and see the difference, if there is difference. First up is volume and length. So this is volume. I actually like the tip of the brush. It's small enough that it can go inside in the inner corner of my eye and coat those little tiny lashes that I have in there. So that's volume. Can't really see it right now. I'm gonna do the lower lash as well and see if it's gonna work. Wow. Okay. Next I want to use curl and length. I think curl and length has those tiny fibers. Wow, this side is actually giving me length. Can you guys see that? Okay. Alright, definitely this side is a lot longer. Can't wait until I combine them and see. Okay, I don't think I need false lashes today. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I like it like this. I like my lashes like this. I would actually prefer this than false lashes. It's very black. I like it. I like the volume. It opens my eyes. Some people says it hurts them. I'm not getting that vibe. It doesn't hurt at all. I can't feel the fibers. Other mascaras that has fibers inside, it hurts my eye. This one doesn't. Going to choose a side though, I'm gonna use, I like the length, the curly and length more than the volume. I like this. Thank you, Huda. Huda Beauty doesn't have blushes yet. I hope they come up with blushes. I need blush right now. I'm just gonna get this gold sand, get this one right here and add right in the cheek. I like highlighting my cheeks anyway. For my lips, I have here all my lip liners. My Huda Beauty lip liners are all right here. I'm going to use Trendsetter, and also I'm going to use this matte lipstick. These are my favorite lipstick formula of all time. Amazing lip formula. This one is in Anniversary. Trendsetter and Anniversary together. Then Anniversary lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, full face Huda Beauty products. I didn't put eyelashes, although I have 4 eyelashes right here from Huda Beauty. I don't think I need them. I love my lashes like this. The mascara is working great for me. And if you ask me, my favorite product of Huda Beauty is the foundation and concealer. Also, their eyeshadows are superb. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. If you haven't subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite Huda Beauty product? Let me know. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye! There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. Hi everyone. Da, 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 da. She got teeth. She got 6 teeth now. Koki, Koki, show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. Smile. E. Anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows.